Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and exchange the bulbs of the headlights. This bulb is out inside of this light, and here inside you have access to this one and this one, but to get to this one you would have to go ahead and take off the wheel and take off this plastic, and then once we remove the plastic you have access to the bulb, which is there. You can't get it through the inside. It's right there. That's it right there. There should be a little cover here, but this car does not have it. They probably took it off and lost it or something. But I'm about to remove it right now. Alright guys, so I'm looking at this bulb and it's a pain in the butt. There's actually some little clips in the side. It's actually on the outside, one, and then two on this side. You actually got to pull the clip back and then it will release that socket. So you just got to stick one finger in there on the right, on that side, hook it and bring it back, and then bring it one finger over here on this side and hook it back. Alright guys, so I got the socket out. I had to release this little clip. It was attached on the top. It came out pretty easy, but you can see the light bulb right there. So I'm about to replace it and put it back in, but it is very compact there, so it's pretty difficult. Once the socket is loose, you can actually pull it out a little bit and work with it easier. So I got it all the way out here. I have full access to it now. Alright guys, so I was able to remove the light bulb. You have to actually push down and turn counterclockwise, and then you push up and it will release it. And this is actually a light bulb. It says H9. Where is it? Right there, H9 light bulb.